It is now 12 AM, PM, almost 1 PM, and I've been up for 4 hours and I've done absolutely nothing. I don't think, well, I've got out of bed, but I've just sat at home doing nothing. So now it's finally time to get myself some breakfast. Don't know what I'm gonna do, and then go out to the side. Look, it's a buddy cat. Hello. The putty cat dead? Putty cat isn't dead. Hello. Look how horrible the weather is out. It's raining and stuff. I parked my car too close to the garage, so I'm gonna have to move it forward. Oh, it's wet and rainy. Oh, it's not long. Woo. Woo. Look at that, lovely. Where do you go in? I do. Long journey. And we've made it. I do not plan on doing any activities outside. Woo. It's very windy and rainy. Got a box of things. Just lots of things in it. Now I wanted to get the box of stuff because now I have a better angle. Look at this bad boy. It's a monopod. It's a stick to put my camera on. This lighting is much better than this, isn't it? It's now time to get me some breakfast / lunch. Don't really know what it is. So I decided on a nice ravioli and tomato soup, which should be nice. Happy days, that's dinner done. Lunch, breakfast, I don't know what it is. Food. Now I'm finally off to the gym. It's 1:30. Let's go. I'm not a fan of rain. I've only got to get to there. Finally finished at the gym. Good session. On my way back home. And it's still chucking it down the rain. Yay. I've literally just been sitting in the car for 20 minutes. It's so bloody rainy outside. But I'm gonna do it now. I'm gonna make a run for it. Oh, it stopped raining. Must have been worth it then. Now time to make the protein shake. Milk. Around 6 o'clock, I have been playing FIFA for a few hours, which was good fun. But Chloe, look at this wall that Chloe made, it's all like full of stuff.
Aww.
And she is exporting her vlog, not a vlog, what is it?
I'm not actually sure.
What's it called?
How to horse.
How to horse, involving
this.
Yeah, she got a horse mask.
I'll never take it off.
She likes it. Cool. Alright then. What
Courtesy
is-
of James.
Yeah, woo, go
Thank
me.
you.
Right,
Okay.
now, dinner's in a minute, and then have football. I like football. So how are you feeling about dinner?
I don't know what we have.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I guess so.
Good. Chloe says she's excited for dinner. Are you excited for dinner, Mum?
What dinner?
You don't have any dinner? Wait a sec. This looks delicious, thank you, Mum.
Okay.
What do you think, Claire? It's about 11 o'clock now. Football's all done. It was alright. Now I'm going to get myself a drink of squash. I'm thirsty. Got bags under my eyes. Oh dear. Right, so that is today done. Good day. Did a bit of gym, did a bit of football, ate some food, played a bit of FIFA, top notch. Just gonna edit this video, and it is now, I'll just find out, 12 days and 14 hours till South Africa. How exciting is that? Going to South Africa, just over 12 days. So excited. Just got to get through work. Got work tomorrow, but I'll put out a little vlog. That's about it. See you later. Hope you enjoyed it. Bleep. 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 Oh, my eyes. It's like 11 o'clock. I need to go to sleep.